Let me show you how to use your Rode VideoMic NTG with smartphones, both iPhones and also Androids. So there is actually huge design flaw with this microphone that they don't really disclose. This does have Type-C port, so you might think that you can simply connect this microphone directly to like your Type-C port phone and it would work. However, that's not the case. Most phones, actually, even if they say they find it, they don't really work properly over this Type-C. The problem is really, if you actually try to use this microphone over Type-C, this gain knob won't work. And some phones will actually still record the sound, however the sound quality will be extremely low and it won't be of any good quality basically. So it will be extremely low sounding sound and it's completely useless. So yep, if you actually try to use this microphone over Type-C directly to your phone, it won't properly work, if at all. And they don't really disclose this at all, and that's completely ridiculous. The way you actually can use it is you actually output from this 3.5mm via a Type-C converter basically. So this is what you actually need to get. You need to get TRRS cable on one end that will plug this inside here basically, but it needs to be TRRS, not the regular one. You need to look for these 3 lines basically here. If you see 2 lines, that won't work. I will leave a link in the description to the cable that you actually need to purchase that will work with this. Again, don't purchase the regular one, it won't work. So on the other end you need to Type-C adapter. I already had some like converters, so I didn't even need to purchase it, but yeah, you need TRS to Type-C. I will leave a link in the description. Then when you actually connect to your smartphone, you can record with this microphone now. However, actually for some smartphones I found it still didn't work properly, such as on the Xiaomi phone. I don't think it worked properly at all actually. Also, I had troubles connecting it with a Samsung phone as well. On my Google Pixel it works perfectly, so if you have Google Pixel phones, those work perfectly, at least the Google Pixel 6 and up. But basically when you launch your camera app, you actually need to go in the settings and actually select this microphone to be used, otherwise you'll use the phone's internal microphone. So you really need an app to do that. On the Xiaomi phone I really can't even find that. On my Pixel I got that option. On higher end Samsung phones you also get that option in the main stock app. If you got a different phone, you have to download like a third-party video recording app, such as maybe Open Camera, and then in the settings you can actually select this microphone. By the way, even if it still works this way, for some phones, again, for some phones it doesn't work at all. So yeah, shame on you Rode for making such a crap product that's not working properly and advertising it that it actually works. That's not the case. You really need to be careful with this microphone. For example, if you actually connect it to your phone, it's not really being supported. It still will run, but it will also think you have connected like a headphone output, basically like a speaker or earphones to it. So if you actually have this plugged in, you won't be able to play back sound from your like video recorded. So if you should need to play back any sound from your phone, you need to remove this, and that's hard limitation. Also, this is a Type-C to Type-C is much more advanced technology than over this regular 3.5, so you're missing quality and features. So really shame on you Rode. Okay, what about iPhones? So on iPhones, Rode actually does have this video recording app, which is actually pretty good. So, and it's yeah, it's pretty good app actually, and you can actually I think connect Type-C directly to Type-C, at least on the iPhone 15 and the newer ones which uses Type-C. And in this app, as you can see, if you click here, so you can adjust your microphone gain level. However, again, I'm not exactly sure if it will work again properly over this Type-C, as I don't have adapter at the moment to try it out. So you might also need to output using this 3.5 basically, and get a 3.5 to like again Type-C converter or like lightning port converter basically. Because for example on my Android phone I also saw some Rode podcast recording app where you can adjust this microphone volume internally. However, when I tried it, it actually wouldn't increase the sound to a good level. So I have suspicion this might be case as well if you actually use this over the Type-C. So again, your best bet is to use it over this output, and you can adjust this gain level then. Again, this is the app name Road Capture, and actually I really like this app over the stock iPhone app for one reason, because it does have, okay, so we can see start recording, and we actually got a pause button. On regular iPhone app we do not have a pause button, so actually this cool app and is insanely good feature here as well. So yeah, really, I couldn't find any single video or information online about this problem, so I decided to make this video because this is completely retarded, really, and Rode should be really ashamed that they have made such a product that's not actually properly working how they should say they should. By the way, if you need a good quality microphone that actually works over Type-C and it's pretty much almost like one-to-one to this, I suggest you to look at the DT-D4 microphone. You can adjust the gain knob over the Type-C on that, and that's more advanced microphone actually, and it costs literally like $100, so even much cheaper. Again, I will leave a link to that microphone in the description if you want to check it out. Anyway, if it was helpful, make sure to subscribe because I have more videos coming about these microphones. See you!